The binary digits that compose the internet exceed a zettabyte. The deep web is over 90%. The surface web of indexed web pages less than 10%. The U.S. government started the internet in 1969. CERN launched the first website in 1991. President Obama issued Executive Order 13576 to curtail new government websites to cut costs in 2011. Google has indexed 14.5 billion web pages in June of 2015, gave away over 60 trillion free searches in 2014, and made $60 billion selling keywords for eyeballs. A private website represents the owner's image, brand, and reputation converted to binary code. But the content can only be viewed if the code is valid. Facebook is the largest public website, gave away 1.3 billion free web pages since 2004, and made $12 billion in 2014 selling private information for eyeballs. Assume markup consultants can produce on average 100 lines of code per hour. Then I estimate 1.5 million markup coders, making on average $36 an hour or $74,000 per year. Assume on average 1,000 lines of code per web page. The surface web would serve over 6 trillion lines of code. Major websites are websites serving over 100 web pages. Assume 20% are major. That's about 50 million major websites. I conducted a survey of over 3,000 websites for W3C compliance and discovered 95% serve errors. Based on my survey, they serve a 30% error rate with a 46% bounce rate before validation. I looked at the major websites and discovered they have a lower error rate, but it would require 7.2 million markup consultants full-time to validate the active code, and they consider the task punishment. How many government websites are there? WhiteHouse.gov is a rich multimedia interactive website, serves 116 web pages. The landing page has a 65% bounce rate, and visitors stay on average 3 minutes and 44 seconds. The landing page has a 94% error rate. Healthcare.gov now serves 81 web pages with an 18% bounce rate, and visitors stay on average 13 minutes and 44 seconds. The landing page serves 410 errors and 2,223 lines of code. It's a 27% error rate. All government websites are developed by contract. Congressional hearings revealed Healthcare.gov, a sole source, cost-plus contract, had 55 consultants to develop 384 web pages. The cost was $155 million, with a 20% maintenance cost with a cost of living adjustment. President Obama has issued the fewest executive orders since George Washington, issued 2 about websites to cut costs in 2011. Assume informed, some percent of website owners will validate code to improve stickiness, or for compliance, or because that's the way they roll, and others will do nothing. Check your code if you care about stickiness, and thank you.